Dove tutto lassù.
Experiencing traditional homeopathic and indigo dye with our Italian travelers. After our morning trek, we traveled by motorbike to visit Homo family in their mountain village. They welcomed us with lunch before showing the group how traditional fabric is decorated with hot biwas and dyed with indigo. Our Italian guests then tried creative their own design. The traditional pattern should become cat, mountains, and some very creative artwork. It looked easy, but drawing a clean line requires much more patience and skill than we expect. It's one of the great experiences to understand more culture of local in our trekking Mukhan Chai trip.